and I, we met a Tuesday morning. Sun high in the
Namaste and welcome to Simply Kaushiki. Today I'm enjoying a beautiful cozy rainy morning in Mumbai. There is something magical about rain. It washes away the old and brings in the fresh. Just like a new day filled with endless possibilities. But sometimes, amidst of all this hustle and bustle of life, we often tend to forget to appreciate little things that we already have. Today, I want to share how we can creatively use what we already have at home and to make our spaces feel fresh and vibrant. I'll also whip up a very delicious veggie salad, perfect for this rainy day. Let's begin with tablecloths. Well, a good tablecloth is always good, but a simple bedsheet can double up as a beautiful tablecloth. It's an affordable alternative with a touch of creativity. To elevate the look, we often use table runners, but a humble dupatta or even a simple old dhoti can turn into a stunning table runner. The possibilities are endless. It is all about thinking outside the box. You can also use table runners as placemats or placemats as table runners. Similarly, having a beautiful vase or a urli is a great for floral arrangement. But you can easily use glasses, empty jars or even kalash for displaying floral arrangement. Displaying your greenery in pretty pots is an option, but don't stop if you don't have one. Wrap it in your favorite paper with a twine and it adds a rustic charm.
I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now. I'm here by your side. Let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out of me.
Layering cushions and throw blankets in multiple ways helps to create a fresh look throughout the year. This way you don't wear out your cushion covers as well, and I'll recommend forming a color palette for your home and collecting pieces accordingly. I'm just getting hungry. It's almost lunchtime. And I think salads are the great way to incorporate veggies into our diet. They don't have to turn into a boring meal. So today I am making a refreshing salad using some colorful veggies from my fridge. It's a perfect way to enjoy a healthy meal on this rainy day. Let's start by boiling some corn I got from my local market. Bowls can do so much more than just hold food. They can serve as decorative element like mini urli arrangement with flower petals for a festive touch or at an entryway as a catch-all box. For my salad, I have added bell peppers, cucumbers, tomato, basil, lettuce, and some boiled chickpeas. For a bit of crunch, I will be using roasted nuts in form of crunchy peanut butter. Plates are great for serving, but one can mix and match for a unique look. You can also use them to serve dips. Similarly, drinkwares like pretty glasses and cups can add elegance to any occasion, whether for mocktails, kheer, or even for yogurt. With a little creativity, you can also turn them into a cake stand for a food display. Platters are incredibly versatile and can be used for more than just serving food. They are perfect for creating beautiful gourmet board platters during gatherings, but on regular days one can use them to decorate table with everyday items, like placing candles, flowers for a chic centerpiece.
Like a candle, I just burn away. All we really have is time. All we really have is time.
Cake stands are not just for birthday or for special occasions. They are versatile pieces of crockery that can be used to display multiple delicious meals or even organize things around the home. For instance, one can use a cake stand to create a beautiful layered display of desserts or to elevate your everyday items, making them feel special. It is all about making the most of what you have and treating your loved ones with beautiful presentations.
I don't wanna waste it on anybody. Take it with anybody but you.
I have created a rainbow on my plate, and now let's create the sauce for this. For the salad sauce, I will use 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Schezwan sauce, minced garlic, and 4 tablespoons of coconut milk. Add water to achieve a smooth consistency and adjust salt to taste. One of the best ways to make the most of what we have is through mixing and matching. It's like creating a new recipe using different ingredients to create something unique and delicious. In decor as well, mixing colors, patterns, textures can create a breath of new life into your space. For example, you can pair neutral colored plates with vibrant glasses or mix different fabrics like cotton and jute in your cushions and throws. The key is to find the color palette that ties everything together, making a space into a cohesive yet dynamic looking space. Whether it's reimagining your home decor or whipping up a healthy meal, the key is to be mindful and grateful for what we have. We need to remind ourselves it's not about the things we possess, but how we use them to create a warm, welcoming space for ourselves and for our loved ones. Let me confess one thing. I used to be a hoarder, filling my space with things that didn't bring me any joy. But only after moving to Mumbai, I realized the value of what I had. These days, I focus on what truly matters, and it's almost like a breath of fresh air. I would love to hear your thoughts, experiences in the comments below. What are some of the creative ways you have reused items in your home? Well, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiration. Until next time, stay cozy, happy homemaking. Namaste.